As a manager in the process of hiring new team members, Copilot is a great starting point for inspiration. But it is also important to check what my company has defined in SuccessFactors. With a simple add mention to the SAP Joule agent, I can instantly get the exact requirements for new hires. I don't have to do this only from M365 Copilot. I can also do this directly in Teams. Just like with Copilot, I simply ask the SAP Joule agent for the required tasks. Since I'm planning a vacation soon, I can quickly check our travel policies. Once that's clear, I want to make sure my backup, Jada, isn't on vacation tomorrow as well. Joule gives me the right answer right away, and I can also check my leave balance. Everything looks good. I'm ready to go on vacation. Directly from Teams, I ask the SAP Joule agent to create a leave request for me. I submit the request for tomorrow, and my manager, Maya, is automatically informed. Even better, with one click, I can block my calendar in Outlook. But that's not all. I can use Copilot and SAP Joule in Excel, PowerPoint, or even Word. As the new year begins, I need to review my goals in SuccessFactors. While working on my goal review document in Word, I can interact live with my SAP system and start the process immediately.